Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's Shane back at it with Madden Mobile. Today I got an all rookie pack ready for y'all, and I'm gonna let y'all see it before I even look at it. Now I did get this on my mini account, so my overall and stuff's gonna look different. So let's see what I can pull. Alright, I'm not gonna look at it though, that's the thing. I'm gonna let y'all look at it first. And then at the end, I'm going to do 2 pro packs. Well, maybe. I don't know. Most likely. Alright. Here it is, guys. Alright. I'm going to let y'all look at it first. Okay. Alright. I'm going to look at the top right corner. Not try to look at it. Alright. I see it's a 90. Alright. Kicker, Josh Lambo. Nice, man. I don't know how much he goes for, but let's go check it out. It's not bad. Alright. Lambo. About 100. No, cheaper. About 70K. 3. Lower. Dang it, man. You know what? I think I'm gonna hold on to them for now. Hold on. What type of packs are out? Still Ultimate Legends. Alright, I'm gonna switch over to my other account. I'll be right back at it with y'all. Alright, guys. I don't think I can cut that out, but we're just gonna go along with it. Alright, I'm gonna go on my main account and open up 2 pro packs for y'all. Now the hardest one I couldn't find was wide receiver on that account. I just got it on my first try, but I've been waiting forever for it, but alright. No, don't want to go to league. First, let's see if there's anything up for 15K. Anything good. Let's do 91. Mark out wide receivers. Oh, I gotta mark out D tackles. D tackles and center. Ooh, hold on. I think I need a center, but alright, so there's none up, but okay. I'm just go ahead and open up these 2 pro packs for y'all. Alright. Not gonna look.